Subscribe to Filmy Mirchi for all What Women Want episodes and click the bell icon to receive all updates.
चली रे जुनून को लिए कतरा कतरा लम्हों को पिए पिंजरे से उड़ा दिल का शिकरा खुदी से मैंने इश्क किया रे खुदी से मैंने इश्क किया रे
Filmy Mirchi presents Dabur Amla What Women Want, co-powered by Jenny Chai.
किसी और से प्यार करना तो फिर भी आसान है लेकिन खुद से प्यार करना और वो भी जब आप अपने बेस्ट वर्जन में ना हो नाउ दैट्स अ चैलेंज वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट सेल्फ लव टुडे और मेरे साथ आज है एक ऐसी एक्ट्रेस जो लाइफ के सबसे बड़े चैलेंज को फेस करने के बाद अपने आप से और भी प्यार करने लगी है प्लीज वेलकम द वेरी अमेजिंग सोनाली बेंद्रे who is here to share her Dabur Amla story of strength. Hello.
Hi.
And welcome to my show.
Thank you for
Really
having
looking
me.
forward to
Thank you.
having you on the show. And I've always told them, I said that, listen, I want, of course, all my guests are very, very special, but I was like, I really want to have Sonali.
Thank you.
So Sonali, the first thing I want to know is about how, as women, of course, we, trained to love everybody else, be a mother, a daughter, you're always loving everyone else,
Absolutely.
around. How did cancer change that relationship with yourself?
In small ways, which I didn't even realize that I was kind of doing, and I'll probably not wait for Ranveer to come home, have his dinner and everything, and only then think about myself. I'll probably now, what I do is, not probably, I'm definitely sure I do that now. I do put myself first, and I say that, listen, I need to do this, and
Yeah.
then, kind of figure out everybody else. And I have learned to say no, which I still find so difficult to say no to people, but it's very liberating to be able to do that. I've always envied people who could say no, I
Yeah.
think they're so sorted. And
Yeah.
But most of the time what you do is the people who you're closest to, you end up telling them and
Yeah.
taking. But now what has happened is I realize that these are the people, I suppose when you have limited time, the clarity is different. And the clarity is that you cannot take anything for granted. And so my
Absolutely.
time with the people I love cannot be taken for granted.
No,
And
absolutely.
the moment that is obvious, then, instead of saying no to the people you love, you say no to the others.
Yes. So Sonali, treatment के बाद तुम्हारे लिए पहली बार घर से निकलना कितना मुश्किल था?
मुश्किल तब हुई जब बाल नहीं थे, and that happened. I think putting it out there on the social media was also a part of first time when you let it out, where you don't want gossip around it,
Yes.
and you don't want speculation around it.
And
that
you did
guys,
it
this is what it is.
beautifully.
Let me just put it out. Then we got such a huge response for it, and you realize that people have been going through it and not sharing it with their own families because they don't want to talk about it. They don't want
Yes.
people to know about it. And I just felt that when I told and when I spoke about it is when I got so much love. At that point of time, when I started stepping out, but then I was not in the country, so
I think it was easier?
No, that stepping out of putting it on the social media. was
Yeah,
still
and what you were doing and how you were. I mean, I was like all the
So
time.
every
following
time
the way-
I was feeling discomfort, and every time I felt, oh, I don't think I should be doing this, I'm feeling conscious, I would just go and put it out and say that, yes, it's out there, the whole world has seen it. Ab kya chupana?
Yeah.
So that was the thing, and that's how I so I feel that social media in that sense, kind of that story really
It helped
helped me, get over that. Then by the time I came here, I remember when I landed, I really had my wig and everything planned, and I will put it on. And then, by the end of that flight, I was so exhausted, and it was so awkward to be in a wheelchair, and I said, I don't want to be in a wheelchair, and I'm
Of
tired,
course not.
and I don't want it. I said, you know what? Chuck it. I'm not going to wear it. This is what it is now. Let me just go. I didn't expect there to be so much of a press outside,
of
but I knew it would be out there. But when I stepped out and I said, no, I'm going to walk out, and bald, it's okay. And I just walked out, and sorry. It was hard. It was very, very hard because, these are the people you've seen through your work, and your work has always been about looks.
Of course.
And, it was hard. But I must say that all the press that was there, they were so quiet and they were so gentle with me.
Yeah.
I had not seen that side of paparazzi, so to say,
Yeah,
ever.
ever.
It was quite surprising, and it was quite nice to see that side. So it just showed that it's okay if you accept yourself, people accept you the way they are.
But I think that's
yeah.
also because of what you reflected. I think जिस तरह से आपने अपने आप को carry किया, like you said, you put everything out there. You were just so. It was heartwarming to actually, see and know, like
I
how
just did
you were
not want
saying.
any sympathy. I just but the love that I got, I'm really grateful for it.
Of course. अक्सर लोग empathy और sympathy में इतना फ़र्क नहीं जानते, you know, I think. So तुमने लोगों की sympathy के साथ कैसे deal किया?
आपने इतनी सही बात कही है, because empathy और sympathy में बहुत फ़र्क है, and empathy is lovely, it gives you, it helps you
Yeah,
and
strength.
supports you, and I feel sympathy pulls you down. So in fact कई बार जब लोग आते थे कि हाय ये क्या हो गया, I used to just shut them down, and I say I don't think ये conversation I don't want, and I would just not speak to them again for a really, be it my own mom and dad or whatever. Also, it took them a little while to understand that.
yeah.
You know, I don't want to see the crying and the thing, because that pulls me down. It's
Yeah,
not,
of
I know
course.
what you're going through and I appreciate it. But at this point of time, if I fall weak, then, you know, it's a downward spiral.
Yeah.
Because every day you're propping your mind up to say, yes, I am going to get up. It's going to be a wonderful day. Because there are, of course, there are days which are really bad. And so you have to pull yourself out of it. And when you have empathy, it helps you with the pulling out. But the sympathy drags you down.
Yeah.
And so I would just, anybody who was being very like I said the word bechari,
Yeah.
shut the door on that and, like, you know, say that I will see you 6 months later. When
I
I'm
think
ready
that's the-
for it. Right now I'm not ready for this.
That's the best attitude, I think, towards. There's nothing else that you can do.
Yeah.
You just have to shut out
Yeah.
any form of negativity or anything that, you know,
Pulls
brings
you down.
So me time is a large part of self-love, you know, I think. So what does Sonali Bendre do for her me time?
Reading.
Reading, of course,
Yes.
your very,
But,
very
you know,
popular book club.
Let me be honest, you know, that's like the most quick reply that comes to my mind, because yes, I do enjoy reading a lot.
Right.
But this last year has taken its toll. I have what you call the brain fog now.
Yeah.
I am not sure, I don't remember names so clearly. थोड़ी सी मुश्किल हो जाती है फेसेस, चेहरे याद रखने में, नाम याद रखने में, मल्टीटास्किंग थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट हो गया है. I probably it happens because of the fatigue that you go through.
Right.
So the attention span is not that much. So very honestly, I'm not reading as much as I would like to read, but I'm actually learning different ways of connecting with myself, and what I thought I could never do. And that is just to sit and be with myself. I'm
Right.
actually beginning to do that. I mean, that sounds crazy, and I would think
Yeah.
that how can I do that? And I'm so busy, and where is the time? But
Because
actually
you
now,
have been so busy, I think, ever since you've come back. जब से आप वापस आई हो, whenever I see your pictures, you're on the move, yaar.
you know, also that was also one of the reasons to kind of just step out a bit, because the moment you're stepping out, you give yourself a little attention.
Yes.
You're getting ready.
And that's also a form of self-love.
It is, and you know, when I lost the hair, and you know, I never stepped out unless I had kajal and lipstick on, and suddenly, I never thought I was such a makeup person, but it became very important to me, because it was a way of expressing myself and saying that I'm not a bechari. I can do my bit, you know, and I can look the way I can.
Of
And so
course.
what? Hair is not everything.
सोनाली, वो क्या एक सेल्फ डिस्ट्रक्टिव चीज़ है जो विमेन अक्सर करती है, जो उन्हें बिल्कुल नहीं करना चाहिए?
Very difficult for me to accept it, but the fact is that I think it's our social conditioning, but a lot of times there are certain checkups we don't want to do. We bury our heads because we are women and we don't want to go and go through it, be it with you know, going for the mammogram or going to the gynecologist.
Yeah, like
we
pap
do
smears.
try and avoid it as much as we can. And I am also guilty of that, you know, of kind of procrastinating on it, ki nahi, abhi kaun jayega, jane do, and all that. Sometimes we are a little shy about it. Sometimes we don't even want to acknowledge the fact that मुझे थोड़ा सा अजीब लग रहा है. I don't want to go and, you know, go through this and all that. क्यों अजीब लगना चाहिए? It's your body. So I think that is one thing that we really need to focus on, and we have to look in part of self-love. I really feel that these checkups and taking care of ourselves and our health is the most important part of self-love.
Absolutely. Not to neglect your health.
Absolutely, yeah.
You've just been such an inspiration, I think, to so many people out there. Of course, the show is What Women Want, but I think you've been an inspiration to, I think, not just women, but men, children, everyone.
You know, I think what is happening in this is that the reason why I was speaking about it was helping me.
Yes.
So I'm really happy that it's inspiring people.
catharsis, yes.
But that's not the reason. I mean, that was not the intention, and
Yeah.
I'm glad that's a byproduct. But that's what it is. I'm actually helping myself, and if that has been inspiring, I'm really happy about it.
Yeah, of course. And you know, may you continue to deal with it the way you have been, with this gorgeous smile of yours. Because I think you're just wonderful. And thank you
Aw,
for
thank
coming
you.
and
Thank you
talking.
so
And we
much.
really were all waiting to have you here.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Can I? Good luck. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Hi guys, hope you're liking my show. अगर आपको मुझसे कोई बात बोलनी हो तो please comment below.